everybody, Chef Buck here, and today we're going to mix this up a little bit of daikon salad. Now if you've never used daikon, don't be intimidated by it. Look how big this thing is. You know, when they get as large as a small child, but I'm using one here about the size of a rhinoceros's horn. I'm just cutting off the ends, and then I'm going to peel it like I would a carrot. And this is basically a big old radish. You know, it's not tart and awful like those little red skin radishes. You know, it's mild. It's just a nice texture and crunch. And we're going to cut it up into matchsticks, which is great for a salad. And then we're going to take a large carrot and cut it up into strings. I like to use my little zester, get some nice string shapes, you know, because the key to a salad, you know, is making nice mouth-friendly, eye-friendly pieces. Then I'm going to finely chop 1 inch of ginger. Use less if you like, but a salad is a great opportunity, you know, to get some healthy raw stuff in your system. About a half a head of small cabbage, you know, cut that up into friendly pieces. You know, 2 to 3 green onions. You know, I'm going to use 3, but you can use 4. You can't go wrong with onions in a salad. And then some salad cucumbers. Thin skin, small seeds, Japanese cucumbers, English cucumbers, whatever, you know, but salad cucumbers are just fantastic. And then we're going to grab a handful of cilantro and, you know, chop that up to about a half a cup. And then a hot pepper, and that's not optional. You know, use the damn hot pepper. You know, cut it up into nice pieces, and then we're going to put our pickling solution together. Half a cup of water, half a cup of vinegar, a little bit of sugar. Come on, it's a salad. You can afford a little bit of sugar. And then salt to taste, whatever. Mix that up. And then we're going to go ahead and get all of our vegetables that we chopped together and put them in a Ziploc bag. You know, just throw in your hot pepper, your onion, your ginger, and all that jazz. But not the cilantro. We're going to leave the cilantro aside because that gets kind of messy in the bag. Throw in your solution there, and it seems like a lot of liquid. But the thing is, the daikon is really going to absorb this solution up. So get all the air out of there and go ahead and mix up that pickling solution with your vegetables. And then we're going to go ahead and set it aside for 1/2 hour at least. The longer it sits around, the more it's going to absorb these flavors, you know. But while that's setting aside, we're going to go ahead and get some sliced almonds and a little bit of ramen noodle. And basically we're going to spread all that out on a pan, and we're going to toast these up, because that's going to make your salad taste really good, you know, because otherwise it's just going to be a bunch of vegetables, which is fine. But you know, you throw a little bit of a toasted noodle and some toasted almonds in there, you know, it's going to elevate it. You know, it's going to trick your mouth into thinking that you're eating something other than a salad. So throw it in the oven at 350 degrees and keep your eye on it. You know, you want these things toasted, but they'll burn pretty quick, you know. So I got 3 to 5 minutes on here, but it's going to depend on your oven. You know, and get it out halfway between, mix it up, put it back in. But, you know, don't burn them because it's going to taste awful. So then when that's cooled down, then you can go ahead and pull your vegetables, your salad out of the fridge. And you see all this liquid's been absorbed. And then we'll mix in our almond slices and our ramen. And then that's basically it. You know, we just got to throw our cilantro in there. If you do it in a bag, it just gets stuck on the inside of the bag. It ain't worth the hassle. So that's it, a daikon salad, you know. It just tastes fantastic. It's a lot of great textures. It's a good way to use daikon. So you see I served it here with a banh mi, you know, which is practically a sandwich with a daikon salad on it. So there you go, daikon. Go out to your shop and pick one up, give it a try. Let me know what you think. And bon appetit, man.